Oh my god.
Just smash my stop loss. What up guys, Jabber again, something for you. So hope you are doing very good. So it's a new week again and I'm super ready to go again this week, right? So yeah, so today is Monday. So I got something yesterday. So I got this spec. So what do you guys think? I got this spec. Let me put it on. Yeah, so how do I look? I think I'm looking professional right now. So I got this spec yesterday for my trading, this lightning and this my screen. They kind of like affecting my eye and so I got this to protect my eye, make I not go bright. So yeah, so that's just it. So let me know what you think in the comment section. How do I look, guys? So tomorrow I'll catch you guys tomorrow, 6 a.m. tomorrow. So maybe I'll be sharing my analysis with you guys like I did last week. So let's go, guys. Let's go. I just want to share this with you guys. So tomorrow 6 a.m. Tuesday, go again. Alright, so catch you guys. Good morning, guys. So it's a brand new day here. So it's Tuesday morning. So let's analyze together. Guys. So yeah, I'm on a 15 minutes time frame. So let's go to the 4 hours time frame. Let's go map out our island way. Yeah? So the first two candles to form for the week, which is I think it's these two, this one, this red candle and this blue candle. Two of them. So let's go do that right now. So you map out your horizontal line. The highest point, I think this red candle is the highest one. Then pick out another one. The second candle is the lowest one, so put it right here. So yeah, so I just finished mapping out my high and everything. So let's go to the lower time frame, which is 1 hour time frame. I'm done with the 4 hours, you guys know. I already go to the 4 hours to map out my high and low break, so that's just this plot I go there to do. Nothing else, guys. So on the 1 hour time frame, I just have to, look out for the trend, what the market is currently doing. So if you look at what the market is doing, we see that okay, this market is kind of like a buying market because at this point it was trending downward till it broke out of these trend lines. So let me delete this one. I think this one is going wrong by. So it broke out of this trend line. So now it's kind of like a retest on a psychological level. So let me kind of like put this number. Okay. So you kind of like retesting off of that psychological level, as you can see right there. So and also I have a trend line coming from the bottom. Alright, so let's go to the 15 minutes time frame to see what 15 minutes time frame is telling us. Alright, so on 15 minutes time frame we are not seeing this thing has started again. Let me put in my glasses. I want to trade like a professional this week, guys. So yeah, so I want to, because this week is the kind of like the last week of the month, so I'm trying my best to make the best decision. So let's see how it goes. So on 15 minutes time frame, I'm not really seeing anything. I'm not really seeing anything on 15 minutes time frame. So I'm not really seeing anything on 15 minutes time frame. But what I'm still watching out for this market to do is it's kind of like two things I'm anticipating for the market to do. So the first one is so is either this market pulls out to this point, then give me M pattern and short. Or this market broke down from this point, come to this point, this my trend line, and give me something like this, and I'm going to buy. So right now, this is just like the two things I will be watching out for. So if that happens, I'm still going to film and update you guys. So for now, this is just like the two things I'm expecting from this market, right? So because I don't want to chase price, because I could have, from this point pick up a new trend line right here, and wait for my M pattern, my W pattern right here and long. But I don't want to chase anything. I just want to keep it simple, as simple as that, guys. So as simple as that. So yeah, so let's see how this thing, because let's just see how it goes. I will update you guys in no time, because okay, kind of like move fast. So let's just keep an eye on it. Alright, so I will update you guys. So let's check out if there is any news today. So let's go to my phone browser. So here is the calendar for the news. So there's no much. It's only this card news that is happening by 7:30 p.m. So by then I'm done with trading. So that's just basically it. So today we are not expecting like no fundamentals, just pure technical. So yeah, so let's see how it goes, guys. What up, guys? So it's a brand new day again. So today is Financial Wednesday. So let me update you guys on the yesterday trade we took. So here is the trade right there on my screen. So you guys remember the place I told you guys I'm looking out for M pattern to form on this my trend line. So the M pattern finally formed, but I just made commission, right? Nothing. I didn't hold for this to take profit because I'm a day trader, and also I can't hold for this because of the swap and all of that, because of the account I trade. So yeah, so the trade we just hit this morning, but it's not like, so let me get rid of this thing. So this trade I sent it out on my Telegram. So I told them to set UP right now, and everybody is in on the trade. Let me show you guys. So here is it. So I told them to sell at this point. You see, I told them selling the USD right there. I told them break even on this trade now, risk free. Then finally I updated them that the trade just hit break even, so we just made commission, nothing else. Right? So let's go for today's trade. So today, what am I looking out for, guys? Okay. So today is looking like a good one. So if you notice this psychological level right at this bottom, this 1.34500, it has been respecting, like it has been holding this market, right? So I think if price should like drop a little bit, like to this let me put a box right there. If price should drop to this box, I will be getting in for a buy, right? So that's just basically what I'll be expecting, because there's a trend line, I have a trend line, and also there's a psychological level right there. Like market has been respecting off of that psychological level, and also you can see a double pattern I'm waiting for right now to go in for a buy, right? So that's just basically what I'm expecting on today's trade. Let's see how it goes. This trade was so painful, right? Because market was like, I entered from this point, it sold, I was up about $140, it traced back, like from the double pattern, I was still holding, like it's dropped back, like finally I just have to break even, because when it trade like it's not moving really well, favor. I just have to break even, right? So this trade is literally going on right now, but I'm not going to go in because if I bought in right now, I'm buying expensive, right? So I just want to buy low and sell high, right? So yeah, that's just basically what I'm expecting. So let's keep an eye on this. I'll be updating you guys in no time. Let's see how this thing plays out. So if this thing drops to my boss, I'll be sending the trade out on my Telegram. So I'm just patiently waiting. I'm patiently waiting because some people might be like, oh, they have missed out on this trade. They will kind of like jump in, you know. For me, I'm patiently like sometimes I used to be like patient, but sometimes you will not always be like 100% patient and disciplined, you know. But this particular trade, man, I'm patient, right? So I'm just like target 162 depend. So this is just what I'm expecting. A minor pullback to this my trend line, psychological level, and all of that. Then I'm going for a buy. So you can in no time. Update on this trade, guys. Update on this trade. So it's TGPUSD 15 minutes time frame. You guys remember what I told you guys? I'm expecting price to drop to this my boss right now. So I'll be going in with 0.5. So one entry for now. Let's see how this candle closes. So if this candle closes in 10 minutes time like this, so I'll be getting in with full entry. Right now I'm just going to go in with one entry 0.5. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes, guys. I will also send this trade out right now on my Telegram. So then buy GBP USD. So let me send the trade out. So just go in with one entry right now. So I just send out this trade right now. So let's see how it goes. So let me go in right now. I'm in on this trade right now. Let's see how it goes. So it's currently like going aggressively, guys, aggressively. But I just went in with just one position right now. One position. If this trade just hit my take SL right now, I'll be losing just $50. So let's see how it goes, guys. Let's see how it goes. I will update you guys. So guys, I just put the remaining risk on the table right now. So I'm in full 1%, right? So let's see how this trade goes. You guys see the way the candle closes. So it closes like an indecision candle also. So let's see. I'm in full 1% risk, right? So I'm going to update you guys in no time. Let's see how this trade goes.
Oh my God.
Just smash my stop loss. Guys, this trade just hit my stopper right now. Right, so now it's buying, but I'm not interested, guys. So let's put an box, like an X on the box right there. Boom. So it's a losing day, guys. So it's so bad. Like, look at my trade. I caught like, but it was just like slow. But it's good, guys. It's good. So let's see if you're going to see any other opportunity. But for now, guys, I'm not buying this again. So let's wait for a new opportunity, guys. Let's wait for a new opportunity. If I get to see anyone, I'm going to be updating you guys. So if I get to see anyone, so I will definitely update you guys. So bye for now, guys. So today is currently the last day of the week. So today is Friday, and I took a trade yesterday, so I was not able to film because I was out of electricity, so no light. So everything, my PCA, everything was off, so I was not able to film. So I managed to make like $100 the yesterday trade. So the loss of Tuesday was recovered. So yeah. So today I'm currently in supposition right now. So let me show you guys what it looks like on the chart. So this is the position I'm currently in on. So I want GBPUSD to break above this level right here. So I already sent the trade out on my Telegram channel. So this is the trade of yesterday. So I think I went in around somewhere here. Then price dropped a little bit. I closed out. So I managed to make the percentage lost on Tuesday. So yeah. So let's see how this trade turns out to be. So I'm going to be updating you guys in no time, right? So I pray it turns out to be a good one. Right now I'm currently in a drawdown. Right, so let's see guys, let's see. So it's still GBP 15 minutes time frame. Let's go guys. So here on the screen, as you can see, so this is where I call out to trade in the morning. So I called out for a buy, but I told my Telegram team to close when this candle was there. So I told them to close out because I already know that this trade is definitely coming to here to buy, right? So I told them to close. I put a screenshot on the screen right there. So I told them to close the trade. So me, I already know that the trade is coming down to this point for a buy, right? So I hop in for a buy and for a sell. Sorry guys. So I open for a sell right here. So I sold a little bit, then I have to close and recover this loss, right? So when the trade comes back to this point, so I still send the trade out on my Telegram channel, and I told them to buy GBP from this point, and that's how we make this money, right? So this week just ended right now. Market has closed, so it is what it is. So it's a good week. It's a good week, guys. So it's a good week. Yeah, so it's a good week. So this week, you guys know when I started the week, I told you guys I will be trading like a professional this week. So yeah, it is what it is. So we just ended the week with 2% in profit, right? So yeah, I think these glasses, it's actually working, guys. I think I'll be trading off of these glasses like entire goes on, right? So let's see what next week has for us. So next week we'll be entering a new month again. So yeah, so I'll catch you guys next week. So this week we took a total trade of 5, and I think we win only 2, but it was just like a one-to-one trade. Only this buy I took last was the one that gave me like 2% in profit, right? So I'm going to catch you guys. So if this is your first time watching my channel, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the post notification bell because I don't want to be missing my videos. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.